In the currency quadrant, taking a look at a snapback in the December euro currency. The euro had its largest single session jump on a percentage basis today since September 13th, completing its third consecutive sessions of higher prices, although admittedly today was the only real significant move. Yesterday, the euro was up 1 basis point, so that's effectively unchanged. And on Monday, it was up less than a tenth of 1%. The high today, 108.88, that was up almost a half of 1%. The low, 108.26, that was almost down a tenth of 1%. So you can almost call this a straight up day. And as we get into the end of the New York FX session close, we're still up about 0.4 of 1%, a little bit more than that. As we hit the middle of the week, the euro is up 0.5%, working on its first up week in the last 5, including this week. 2 trading days left, though. Eurozone preliminary third quarter GDP came in stronger than expected, both quarter over quarter and year over year. Quarter over quarter showed growth of 0.4% versus expectations of 0.2% in the last print of plus 0.2%, and year over year showed growth of 0.9% versus expectations of 0.8% and a previous print of 0.6%. These are not dramatically strong numbers, but they're on top of better figures in German GDP quarter over quarter and year over year as well. Continued strength in data like this could signal that the ECB could slow down its rate cut cycle, which would be supportive of the currency. Tomorrow, we have EU preliminary consumer price data, CPI, for October, which could easily change the direction of the currency with a weak print. The figures are expected to be slightly weaker in the core, but slightly stronger in the headline. We also have September's unemployment rate being released in the EU tomorrow, which is slightly older data, but it all could end up in volatility for the euro currency tomorrow.